All right, everybody, it's Chad here. We'll get this break underway. Try to get it in before halftime's over. All right, we'll start out with the break roster for the 2011 Topps Inception box, number 2. Jacob M. has Group A, which is Ravens, Browns, Cardinals, Ram, and the Lions. And George N. has Group B, which is Steelers, Texans, Chiefs, Bills. Joel B. has Group C, Eagles, Giants, Jets, and Redskins. And the Panthers, Cody C. has Group D, Dolphins, Bucks, Seahawks, and Raiders. Andrea G. has Group E, which was created specially for this break, which is Colts, 49ers, Chargers, and Bears. Andrew L. has Bengals and Titans. Trent N. Cowboys and Jags, and Falcons, Packers, and Vikings. Jason M. Patriots. And Bonnie B. with the Saints and Broncos. All right, so good luck to everybody on this one. I had my daughter give a little good luck tap to these boxes, so we'll see. Trying everything, pulling all the strings. Empty box. All right, let's see here. First, we've got Josh Freeman, base card, Buccaneers. Back it up a little bit. There we are. Okay. Wes Welker, 94 of 209. 94 of 209. Okay. Phillip Rivers, 49 of 75. Whoops, my bad, I'm getting them way up too close. 49 of 75. There we go. And first auto is a Taiwan Jones Raiders 2-color patch. Taiwan Jones, 256 of 599. Okay. Next is a Kyle Rudolph 1-color patch. Vikings. That's 322 of 399. Better. Okay, and the next auto is or not an auto, my bad. The next card is a Stephen Ridley, 61 of 75. 61 of 75. All right, and then Ryan Matthews base. All right, congrats to everybody on that one. That got hits, I should say. And we'll move right into the finest, which is 2011 Topps Finest roster here. Jacob M. with Group A and the Lions. George N. with Group B. Joel B. with the Group C, Colts, Cowboys, and Chargers. Peter G. or Vinny with the 49ers. Jason M. with the Group D and the Bengals. Bonnie B. with Broncos and Saints. Trent N. with Jaguars, Falcons, Packers, Panthers, and Vikings. Andrew L. with the Patriots. And James K. with the Bears and the Titans. Just for clarification there, James K. Also the Madman email address. All right, so we'll go ahead and on this one. Empty. Jason Campbell he didn't have any turnovers, and Richard Seymour and Tommy Kelly are probably the most physical defensive tackles in the game. Fighting with that box there. Okay, empty box there. Checklist. And we'll go through these first packs here. All right, Mike Thomas, finest moments, Jaguars. Ben Roethlisberger, quarterback, Steelers. Wes Welker, Patriots. Marcel Darius, sorry, I need to get these cards up, my bad guys. Marcel Darius, okay, and then we've got, let's see, let's go this way. 94 of 99, whatever it is. Julio Jones, auto, player worn patch. Nice, nice, nice. First Julio Jones autograph I've pulled. Who is the Falcons? Oh, Trent. Nice. All right, Trent, congrats on that one. That's a real nice card. 94 of 99. Very nice. All right. Okay, Calvin Johnson, Lions. Andre Johnson. John Baldwin, rookie. Josh Freeman, Buccaneers. Randall Cobb, Packers. All right, Matt Schaub, Texans. Austin Collie, Colts. Kenny Britt, Titans. Daniel Thomas, rookie, Dolphins. And Jeremy Maclin. And that's numbered 142 of 399. 142 of 399. I have trouble getting these shiny cards to focus in, so. All right. So on that one, who had the Eagles? That's Group C. So Joel, congratulations on that one. Nice little serial numbered card. There's Jeremy Maclin. Eli Manning. Steven Jackson. Jason Witten. And an Andy Dalton, Atomic Rookie. Those are not numbered. Kendall Hunter, 49ers. Ryan Terrain, Redskins. Javid Best, Lions. Titus Young, Lions. Daniel Thomas, rookie. Sean Marino, Larry Fitzgerald, Peyton Manning, Tywan Jones, and Von Miller. Serial numbered. Congrats to Bonnie on this one. 17 of 99. 17 of 99. Von Miller. Rookie. And again, thanks to everybody. It was a great weekend. We went through, I broke basically 6 boxes. 6 boxes, so a nice busy weekend for me. I appreciate it. Checklist. All right. Let's see what we got here. We've got the hit there, so we'll save this. Set those over there. Peyton Hillis, Browns. Des Bryant, Cowboys. D'Angelo Williams, Panthers. Jarrell Jernigan, Giants. Randall Cobb, rookie, Packers. Fred Jackson, who has done wonderful things in my fantasy league for my team. Bills. Braylon Edwards, Jets. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Christian Ponder, rookie, Vikings. And a Hakeem Nicks, New York Giants, 187 at 399. 187 at 399. Yeah, can't get that one really well. All right, LeGarrette Blount. Greg Little, he had a good day today. Percy Harvin, Vikings. Matt Forte, Bears. Jamie Harper, Atomic Rookie, Titans. Sorry, I try to get these cards up. All right, Jay Cutler, Bears. Tom Brady, Patriots. Rashard Mendenhall, Steelers. Von Miller, rookie, Broncos. Ryan Mallett, rookie, Patriots. Looks like we'll get this one done almost in time. Phillip Rivers, Michael Turner, Terrell Owens, Blaine Gabbert, rookie, Jordan Todman, 210 of 399. 210 of 399. And finally, Adrian Peterson, Vikings. It's a finest moments. Nice card. Those aren't numbered. Aaron Rodgers, Maurice Jones-Drew, Greg Jennings. Oh man, I hope this isn't who I think it is. Could it be an Austin Pettis? Could it be? Yes, it is. Austin Pettis, 36 of 599. Oh man. All right, well, I guess the Julio Jones autograph makes up for our 100th Austin Pettis autograph. So, let's see. Yeah, congratulations to everybody who had the Rams there. That's Group A. So Jacob M., congrats. Not to knock down an Austin Pettis. You know, if I had the Rams, I'd take him any day of the week. But anyhow, yeah, congrats, guys. Enjoy the game. Talk to you soon.